Ooh, 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 yeah. We, yeah. And sing. So people, you already know what time it is. Yesterday I was scrolling, I was searching hard for you guys. I was mining. It was like, Minecraft, you just mining for diamonds, and I came upon some diamonds, people. I came upon a vault of what you people love, and that is people losing money. Now this guy that we're talking about today, I had actually heard about him. A commentator was kind of roasting him up, because this guy, he has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and and he was putting out applications for a girlfriend. No longer are the days of sliding in the Instagram DMs. No longer are the days of Tinder, your Hinge, your Bumble. You feel me? If you got the YouTube clout, you know what you do? You just make a YouTube video and you go, hey, what's up, baby? I rock white tees. I got some dreadlocks, I got the ramen in the back, girl, and then you just put it up there, the 100,000 people see it, boom, you got a girlfriend. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it. This guy's name is Hiding in My Room, so we're gonna see, we're gonna see what he's on. He's a kind of awkward dude, so be gentle with him, people, but he is telling the story of how he lost his life savings in crypto. So let's get straight into it.
Last video I was talking about how I lost quite a lot of money in the stock market when the whole market went into like crash correction mode back in February. Well, I put the remaining of my money into Bitcoin related stuff, and Bitcoin.
Bro said, I lost all of my money on the stock market, so you know what, I'm just gonna throw it into Bitcoin. That's like, what? Let's be real here. Like, the stock market is where your money is made. Long-term investments in mutual funds, index funds, building up your Roth IRA, as you already know how we make money. So, hey, I mean, if the safe way doesn't work, just go ahead and jump ship. And crypto is now the way. So let's see how it worked out for him. We see this chart that he has here. He wrote Bitcoin, That's kind of, I bet that's how a lot of you are, doing when you're in your first grade class. You feel me? But let's see what he has to say about this.
Bitcoin and cryptocurrency have not really been doing very well either. So when things started to go downhill back in February, I didn't panic sell straight away. I thought, this is just a dip, it's going to go back up. Wait, hold on.
Is anybody else wondering why is like, so this is his camera, right? So this is a 100 subscriber YouTuber. So he knows what he's doing. He knows how to get the views. He knows what he's doing. Why is it this isn't a part of his, like, the frame of his camera, and neither is this? Like, is that like his side order? Are these some pajama pants? Okay, we're getting off topic. Let's get back into it.
And I bought heavily into the dips. The problem is the dips kept on dipping even lower over months and months, and then finally, I think in April or beginning of May, I cracked, and I felt like, that's it, I've had enough of losing money. I don't want to see my money going down anymore, and I panic sold pretty much all of the stocks I was in. And instead of leaving the money on the sidelines, I decided to buy mostly Bitcoin and crypto and some mining stocks, because at the time,
y'all, he got hit with that trading psychology, y'all. We all know, we've all been there when you lose a trade and you're like, maybe I should take a day off from trading or something like that. And then something in the back of your head's like, no. It's like the little devil and the good devil, or the little devil and the angel, It's like the bad devil's like, no, you can get your $100 back. Just hop right back in. Hop into something else. Oh, you were day trading, some stocks, maybe try some penny stocks, maybe try some crypto. Go right back into that trade. So lesson to be learned here, people. When you lose a trade, or you feel like your mentality is a little off, don't hop back into trade. Take some time, Go walk your dog. Go to the park, Go get you some food or something. Go get you some of those delicious chicken tendies, It'll just kind of keep you safe. and then maybe go into the market the next day after you've had a nice cold drink of water. You feel me?
Crypto market was doing really well and everything was going up. Bitcoin was shooting up to 60k. Everyone was saying stuff like
Good
Bitcoin's
times.
going
Those
to
were good
100k,
times.
it's going to 250k this year, and I believed it and I bought in at pretty much the peak. And the reason why I keep losing money in the stock market is because I keep buying at the peak. I see everything shooting up and going to the moon and I don't want to miss out, and I buy because of the phrase, it's better late than never. Sometimes never is.
The phrase "it's better late than never" is a great phrase. It is a phrase of the GOATs, unless you're dealing with the stock market. In the stock market, we use a term called FOMO, the fear of missing out. When something is going up, up, and you're like, I don't want to miss out. You know what I'm saying? Better late than never, right? So then what do? You buy at the high. It dips on you. Why? Because it's a high. We all know what's going on here. So we can definitely see why this man was losing money. Like he's telling us straight up why he's losing money. He was buying high and he was selling low. He said he got rid of all of his shares. You know what I'm saying? He said he panic sold. We already know what's going on with this guy. This guy's kind of like a awkward rice scum. You know what I'm saying? A more humble. Yeah, I feel like much more humble rice scum. But he kind of reminds me of Rice Gum. And no, it's not just because he's Asian. I just feel like they look kind of similar. Like if he had some more money, some swag, like a whole bunch of shoes, you know what I'm saying, and all of that, and just a general terrible personality, then this guy would be like Rice Gum.
It's better than late. I bought at the peak of the bull market last year. I bought at the peak of ARK Invest. I bought at the peak of crypto. And now my remaining money has just been absolutely effed. And it's just so annoying because for some reason I only seem to want to buy things when they're going up. When they're the all-time highs, that's when I want to get in. And when things are going down and when things are dropping really big, I don't want to touch it. And that's just the wrong kind of mentality to have. You need to reverse
learning.
that.
Our boy's learning.
You need to want to buy when things are down because that's when you're getting a good deal. And you don't want to buy when things are shooting up because then you've kind of missed out. If things are shooting up and they're at all-time highs, then you've kind of...
Yo, my boy is learning. Thank you, Jesus. My boy is learning. Can somebody please contact that man? Send him over to NGB the gang. We'll get him right. Send him over to NGB the gang. We'll get him right. He done lost all his money before he learned you need to sell high. You know what I'm saying? Sell high, buy low. Like, maybe he ain't got no money left. You know what I'm saying? And maybe he'll have to, break the piggy bank or something, take out a bank loan. But somebody send him in. Somebody send him in. He needs the help. We have the help over here. We like the stock market therapists. We'll get your mind right. We got you. We got you, man. I'll be sending you a message after this.
Missed the boat and it's too late to get any meaningful gains. And then you risk buying at the top and then you risk having it crash, come down, and then you're bag holding. And the reason why crypto has crashed is just so dumb. It's mainly because of stupid Elon Musk and China. I actually used to quite like Elon Musk. I thought he was cool and trendy, and I thought it was funny how he would troll people and use memes on Twitter. And then he got into Bitcoin and trolling the crypto community. And first of all, it was great because he announced, hey guys, Tesla, we're going to be accepting Bitcoin for Teslas. And then the thing just shot up to 60k and everyone was really happy. And then a couple months later or a couple weeks later, he suddenly changes his mind and says, actually, we're not accepting Bitcoin anymore because it uses so much energy, or it uses so much fossil fuels and it's bad for the planet. As if he didn't know that already. He must have known that before buying a load of Bitcoin and saying, hey, we accept Bitcoin. He's just messing with us. And then after he tweeted that, the whole thing just crashed.
Sounds genuinely
and
hurt.
then it crashed more because he memed out some tweets. He tweeted some memes about breaking up. And his memes, his tweets are very cryptic. He doesn't just say it out loud, plain and clear, because he's not actually allowed to. But he'll put out these weird pictures, like these weird memes, and they're usually connected to Bitcoin and how he feels about it.
Meme stops,
and then
GME
the whole
to
market
the moon.
just reacts to his
For
tweets.
the
It's so
attendees.
stupid how some egomaniac billionaire, who I don't know how he
shots have been fired. Like shots, he said like he's on them. Like, oh man, can we get, you know what I'm saying, a small YouTuber? I mean, I'm a small YouTuber. I guess he's a big small YouTuber compared to, you know, Elon Musk. But can we get a Elon Musk in the ring versus what is it like Shy Guy in his room? Put in his name somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Like, wouldn't that be a great? Well, no, it probably wouldn't. This guy is he's kind of skinny. I mean, I'm skinny. This guy is skinnier than me. Elon, I think he knows like Taekwondo or something. He got weapons too. But hey, this guy genuinely has beef with Elon because he pretty much seems to believe that Elon has lost him a lot of money. Did Elon affect the markets? A lot, yes. But that's also because, bro, you're trading Bitcoin when Bitcoin was being very heavily influenced into memes. That's extremely high volatility. And when you're dealing with things with extremely high volatility, what happens? News, someone slipping in Walmart, and you know what I'm saying, the price tanks. Like, that's just what happens when you're dealing with volatility. Let's ask this guy this question. Why do you think Bitcoin was going to go to 100K? Why do you think Bitcoin was going to go into 250K like you said? Oh, because of high volatility. So you like the high volatility when it works for you, but when it goes against you, you don't like it. Okay. Well, anyways, let's get this fight going. Let's get these two people in the ring. And, you know what I'm saying, I don't really think this guy's going to win. But, hey, you know what I'm saying, he has beef with Elon. We like it when beef gets handled over here on the channel.
Around on Twitter. Doesn't he have like 20 companies to run? Isn't he trying to get humans?
He's on Elon.
Why is he sitting around on Twitter screwing with things like this? I thought the whole point of Bitcoin and crypto was for it to be like some kind of decentralized currency that isn't controlled or manipulated by institutions or governments.
When the market is down over 10%, this expert service is up over...
Nope.
Governments. But then the whole thing can easily be manipulated and brought up and brought down and brought up and brought down by one man. Literally one man with a Twitter account called Elon Musk has the power just to tweet out some stupid memes and make it crash 40%. The whole Bitcoin thing went from 60k all the way down to 30k. That's a 50% crash. And guess where I bought in? Yeah, I bought in around 60k.
Oh man. And you know this guy's, you know he's got a little money on him. He's got 100k subscribers. He seems to be doing relatively well. So you know, if he says he was investing, he was probably using a decent bid. He said, and you know where I went in? 60k. Hey, he could have at least helped himself out or something and been like, you know, maybe I didn't go in at 60k. I went in at 52k or something, and then it dropped. Nah, he bought at the top of the top of the top. This man is at the top of the Himalayas right now, shivering. Bitcoin. Elon Musk. He's like, damn, Elon. Let's continue.
You know, I felt confidence buying at 60k because I thought, oh look, Elon Musk just bought 1 billion Bitcoin and they're accepting it for Tesla. There's no way he would have bought in if he thought it was going to come crashing down again. So I thought it would be safe now that these big companies and people are rumouring Apple's also going to buy some. But yeah, it's just really dumb how his tweets alone have that much power. And then what happened to the whole phrase, with power comes great responsibility? He has no responsibility. He's almost
you bring out Uncle Ben into this.
Trump with his tweets. He doesn't seem to care that he has this massive influence that can affect people's lives and bank accounts, and he's just tweeting this nonsense out willy-nilly. So thanks to Elon.
So, you guys know that these are all jokes and games and stuff, but this is also about learning opportunity. You know what I'm saying? We're over here trying to educate the people, put the people on, so we don't end up in situations like this. You know what I'm saying? Losing all of our money like this, his life savings, as he said, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. So, here's the lesson here. Don't trade based off of other people's opinions. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, find nice, smart trades, and then enter into those. This is essentially the same person who follows a guru, gets into their Discord. The guru says buy this. They all buy it. It gets pumped up, and the guru sells. It gets dumped, and then they're mad, and then they blame it on the guru. Don't blame it on the guru. Blame it on yourself. Now that's why I don't be telling people, anybody on this channel, to buy any certain types of things. May I talk about some of the things that I'm buying sometimes? Absolutely yes, but never would I tell people, and I actually tell people not to trade based off of what other people say. Take a whole bunch of knowledge from different people, different sources. Go to your drawing board, you know what I'm saying? Draw it up, and then make your decision.
Lost over 50% of my remaining life savings. Thanks, Elon. I used to quite like you, but now my opinion of you is starting to go down the toilet.
Spare change.
And then the other reason is China. China keeps trying to ban Bitcoin, and that also crashes it every time. They keep saying stuff like, we're outlawing miners and we're shutting them down, and then everyone panics and panic sells and makes
We did a video on
more,
that.
and then the US government keeps trying to regulate it. It's just a big headache. I don't know why I decided to put almost all my remaining life savings into such a drama.
Can I get a diversification in the chat, people? Can I get a diversify your portfolio in the chat? Can I get it, especially if you're going to use your life savings in the chat? Can I get a, especially if you're going to use your life savings in the chat? Please, come on now.
Filled.
Got to do better. We got to do better as people. You know what I'm saying? We got to do better as traders. I know this guy isn't a trader. We all know this guy isn't a trader. But like, hey, if you invest in the 401k, the life savings, do better. Go watch some Q Banks. I had to.
Assets. So yeah, not really great news on the financial front. I lost most of my investment gains and my initial investments.
We're gonna have to put out some more YouTube
buying
videos.
At all-time highs in the bull market, and then I lost the remaining of it in crypto. Well, I say I lost it. I guess it's a bit of a loose phrase. I haven't sold my crypto assets yet. I'm still holding onto it, hoping that by summer we're going to have a massive bull run, because they're all saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to get to 100k. Right now it's just a bit of turbulence, and then after this downtrend it's going to shoot straight back up. So that's what I'm betting on to win back my money. Yeah, it's been a bit of a rocky.
Y'all hear that terminology? Win back your money? Does that sound like something a trader or an investor would say? So I can win back my money? That sounds like something a gambler would say. Yeah, let me just win back my... That probably doesn't look right. But these are dice. Yeah, let me just win my money back. Huh, you know what I'm saying? Huh, you know what I'm saying? That's what he did. He was like Bitcoin. Huh, you know what I'm saying?
Ride my entrance to the stock market started off with such great returns and potential, and I thought, wow, this is it. This is my next true calling in life. I'm going to make so much money. And then it kind of all just went down the toilet, and now I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? Do I just pull out, cut my losses? Do I carry on? Do I put more money in?
More money?
I'm still not quite sure about it. I'm not sure how I feel about investing. I feel like there is great potential there to make money.
Bro needs a financial advisor.
I guess I'm just not very good at anything. So everything I try to do, I have some kind of success in the beginning. Even with this YouTube channel, I had some amazing success in the beginning, and then I can't sustain it. It lasts for a short time, and then it just eventually falls flat on its face. So everything I try and...
Guys, Mini Rice Gum out here, you know what I'm saying? He's reached some relatively decent YouTube success. I guess it's kind of, you know what I'm saying, it's kind of flatlining or anything like that. Also, he's having trouble with the stock market. You can tell that he has a problem with his confidence. We got to bring this guy in. We got to give him pats on the back. We got to give him help. We got to get that confidence up. You can't trade effectively and just be effective in anything that you do without confidence. So we'll take him in. We'll get him right, and then we'll send him back. And then when he goes and makes that YouTube money, he's going to give NGB the gang a cut. He's going to give us 10%, and then we're going to take that, and we're all going to go to Miami with it. Hey, we all going to go to Miami with it. But really, guys, if you're trading or doing anything in life, it's very important to be confident. You know what I'm saying? Clearly, this guy deals with some confidence issues and things like that, and we definitely don't want to, like, make fun of that or anything like that. It's honestly a little sad, but, I just want this to be kind of, you know what I'm saying, a reminder to you guys, really focus on your mental health, especially if you're trying to be profitable in trading. Mental health is very important. You know what I'm saying? Making sure that, you know, the world around you is nice and healthy for you is very important. Not just because, you know, you want to make money on the stock market, but because it's the right thing to do for your body and for your life into the future. You know what I'm saying? Think of the things this guy has like I think 111,000 subscribers or something. So like he could get to 111,000 subscribers and he still doesn't believe in himself. That's something that's very hard. I'm over here at 300 subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on now, people. But you get what I'm saying here. So let's flood this guy with some love. You know what I'm saying? Comment on this video. Go over and comment on his video. Maybe go peep his channel. Maybe you guys will like his channel. There's a lot of people that clearly like this man's channel. So let's get this guy's confidence going. We feel kind of bad for him, but we're gonna take him under our wing here at NGB the Gang. We're gonna get his confidence up. We're gonna get him a cool haircut. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna switch out that wardrobe a little bit. He's gonna start getting the honeys. We're gonna get him right on his investing. We're gonna get him a financial advisor so he can start, you know what I'm saying, maybe getting into some index funds or some mutual funds. Maybe he'll start collecting a few dividends per month or something like that. And you know, in a year he's gonna be a whole different guy. He's gonna have the confidence of a stallion, and instead of the confidence that he now has of something more like Donkey from Shrek. You know what I'm saying? Let's get back into it.
I get a little bit of success in the beginning, and then sometimes it's my
We
fault,
got you over here,
and then
my guy.
Sometimes it's
Come over to the
because
game.
of things that are out of my control, and then it just ultimately fails. I give up because I lose interest in things that fail. It's very hard to be motivated and interested in something when it's failing. I want to be interested and motivated in doing something when it's going well, not when it's failing. So hopefully Elon Musk shuts up tweeting. Really, someone needs to.
See, you can't be blaming. One thing, you can't blame people for the decisions that you make. Yes, people can influence, you know what I'm saying? Like, yes, Elon Musk did influence that, but you still made the active decision to get into Bitcoin. Did Elon Musk come to your house, knock on your door, and be like, hey, bruh, you gotta buy this Bitcoin? No, he didn't. He didn't do anything like that. Can't play the blame game, because if you continuously play the blame game, then you're never gonna be able to actually do what you gotta do to succeed, my guy. We got you over here, though. We got you.
Get him off Twitter. I feel like Elon Musk needs to be banned. He doesn't have the responsibility. He's got like 60 million followers.
Get him
on
out of
Twitter,
here.
And he either ruins
Get him out of here.
the Tesla shareholders' shares. I remember one person he said he was going to sue Elon for his tweets, crashing Tesla share value. And now he's doing the same thing. Elon Musk is doing the same thing with Bitcoin. He just loves messing around with the stock market for some reason.
Man really cannot
He's like
stand
this big
Elon Musk.
baby giant, and he's got all this power, and he's got no responsibility, and he just thinks it's funny, you know, flicking things.
This man
and
said
then
Elon
seeing what
Musk
happens,
has
and he
no
doesn't care about little
responsibility.
people who have their actual life savings invested into it.
No,
Yeah, so
you
hopefully Elon
have
Musk
your life
grows up a
savings
little
invested
bit,
into
or
it.
he stops messing around with Twitter and actually, you know, does something useful for once in his life.
Bro, this man just said Elon Musk needs to go and do something useful for once in his life. This man's one of the richest men in the world. He's bringing so much value to the world. I mean, we understand. This man's just clearly salty because he decided to chuck all of his life savings into Bitcoin, which we all know is a very terrible move and makes absolutely no sense. From an investor standpoint, imagine going to your financial advisor and you like, yeah, I want to throw everything on Bitcoin. They looking at you like, spare change, please. Can I have some more, please? But hey, it's been a great video, you know what I'm saying? I definitely have enjoyed all the love you guys have been showing these videos. I guess you guys really love watching people lose money. So you know what we're going to be doing on this channel? Watching people lose money and talking about it. So if you enjoy, you know what I'm saying, send it out to a friend, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Guys, let's get this channel growing. I want to get the conversation going in the comments, you know what I'm saying? I want to get this channel rolling. So I can only do that with you guys' help, and I really appreciate all you guys that have been rocking with me. I really do. I love all the great comments. It really warms my heart, you know, when I wake up and I see somebody like, oh man, like I love these videos and all that kind of stuff. So you guys be blessed. You have a great day. I don't know, go out, you know what I'm saying? Go out, look at some butterflies, look at some flowers, you know what I'm saying? Go out on a canoe with a few beers or something, you know what I'm saying? Not too many to where you flip it or anything like that, but you get what I'm saying. And I'm rambling at this point, so goodbye, guys.